Hello students, welcome to the science class of 5th standard of chapter The Skeletal and the Muscular System. I hope you have read and revised the topic Parts of the Skeleton System. Today my topic is joints and types of joints. So kindly open your book at page 22. Joints. Now definition of joints is a place where two or more bones meet is called a joint. Students, at a joint, bones are held together by strong tissues called ligaments. Now, what are ligaments? Ligaments are tissues which attach one bone to another by a joint. So, ligaments reach from one bone to another and hold them together. Another strong tissue called cartilage covers the bones at the joints to avoid friction between the bones. Students, it protects the bones by preventing them from rubbing against each other. So, students, the bones of the skeleton move with the help of joints. So, joints make our body flexible and allow different types of movements. Students, joints are of two types, movable joints and immovable joints. Immovable joints are joints that do not allow any movement. The bones of the skull, except the lower jaw, are immovable joints. That is, all the joints except the joints in the upper part of the skull which protects the brain are movable joints. Do you know metal hinges and special rods are sometimes used to replace permanently injured joints of the knee, hips, and elbows? That is, in case of fracture, metal hinges and special rods are used to replace injured joints. Now, next is types of movable joints. The movable joints are characterized by the presence of synovial fluid enclosed in a bag around the joint. Underline word enclosed and write down its meaning: surrounded or closed off on all sides. Students, synovial fluid is present in each of the joints in the human body. This fluid is a thick liquid that lubricates the joints and keeps them moving smoothly. So, the movable joints are also called synovial joints. There are four types of movable joints in our body. These are hinge joints, ball and socket joint, pivot joint, and gliding joints. Let's discuss about these joints one by one. First is pivot joint. Pivot joint is present between the skull and the first vertebra called the atlas. Now what is atlas? Atlas is the first vertebra of the backbone. This joint allows our head to move up and down and sideways. Now number 2 is ball and socket joint. This joint allows movement in all directions. These are present in shoulders and hip joints. In this type of joint, ball-shaped end of one bone fits into the cup-shaped end of the other bone. Therefore, the name ball and socket joint. Next is hinge joint. This joint allows movement in only one direction, like the movement of the doors, hinges that allow door to move in one direction only. Now, hinge joint is present in elbow, knee, fingers and toes, which allow the movement of these body parts in one direction only. Next is gliding joints. This joint allow the movement of the wrist and ankle and also between the two vertebrae. It allows gliding movement, that is, the bones can slide against each other. We can bend, turn, and twist because of these joints. These are present in wrist and ankle. So students, today I have discussed with you joints and types of joints. You read and revise this topic again and also related cross questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.